What's up mga ka-random? It's your boy Bray back in again for another vlogs. And today guys, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano i-convert ang Sodexo Mobile Pass into load. So, let's get started.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along.
So what's up guys, it's your boy Bray back in again. So first you need to do guys is to order muna sa Peraswipe ng Sodexo Mobile Pass. And after nun may marireceive kayo na message na galing sa Sodexo. So next step na gagawin, hanapin yung Sodexo message app. And then hanapin nyo yung code na sinend ng Sodexo. After nun, just copy it. Itong 308-325-2582. After nyo i-copy, then dun tayo sa next step. Just type this number 022566123. Dito nyo isasend yung message na convert, all caps lock, space, then put the code na kinapi natin kanina, and then tanggalin nyo yung mga spaces dahil ito yung isa sa kadahilanan kung bakit hindi gumagana yung pag-convert ng Sodexo Mobile Pass into load. Then space, put the number amount, so halimbawa 100, and then space, lagay nyo yung number nyo, 090755855760. Just make sure na double check nyo yung number kasi pag sinend nyo to, hindi na pwedeng bawiin. Then wait ng 30 seconds and then dadating na din yung load. Ito na nga, dumating na yung load galing sa token text. And then ito yung 100 pesos na in-order ko kanina. So that's all for now guys. Thanks for watching this video and sana nakatulong ang pag-convert ng Sodexo Mobile Pass into load. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Random TV, let's go.